Hi everyone, welcome to another very interesting video of VIH group OSINT series. So right now, right exactly what does we do whenever we investigate any case? Sometimes we see about some sort of ads, right? Because of ads and because of SEO, there's a lot of website which is going on top, right? Which is malicious. So the thing is how to know exactly what type of campaign, what are the campaign any company is running. For example, if there is a company like this is for education purpose only, that's why I'm taking example. If there is a Udemy, right, udemy.com, so they are running a huge campaign of advertisement, right? So how to verify if the ad is from Udemy? Like if this is udemy.com, then if you might be seeing the ad of this one, then how to verify if the recent ad was started by Udemy or not? So there is a very interesting project which was started by the Google, right, which is called Ad Transparency Center. So you can see this is the website adstransparency.google.com. So here what you can see, like if you want to search about Udemy, right, just click there. You will see the company name, what are the company which is available for the ads. ET, Udemy, Udemy Go, Ucademy.com, Udemy Inc, which is the verified one, which is the main. Anytime where you want to search for last 24 hours or what is the custom date, where you want to see what are the platform which you want to see, right? Udemy Inc, right? So you can see they have verified the identity as well, and this is the recent campaign which was started. Like here you can see the entire examples which is showing in India, right? So you can see more ads by the Udemy. So guys, actually I'm not doing anything illegal. This is for education purpose. For so if you want to search about VIH group, right, so till now we have never run any ads on Google, so you will not see it. So that's why search about Tata Motors, you can click there and you will see exactly what are the recent thing which was started by Tata, right? Which is probably for the latest car which was sold in the markets. So that's what you can do, like how to verify your ads if anything was recently started or any malicious activity is done, right? So that's what we can do. Just let me know in the comment box how's this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Okay.